Hello guys and welcome back to Guide Nation. Today I'll be showing you how to change name on Monopoly Go. So, in order to do this, first of all, navigate to your Monopoly Go application, log in using your user credentials and you'll be on this page. Here, click on the three-lined icon at the top right side of the screen. And you will see this page where you can see you have the option to shop, your net worth, your showroom, daily tweets, map, board reports, join us and settings option. Now, in order to change your name on Monopoly Go, click on your profile icon at the top of this menu. And this is going to show you this page that says select your avatar. Now on this page, you can select any avatar you want for your Monopoly Go account and you also have your name appearing at the top. Simply click on this small pencil icon just right here and this will show you this pop-up saying change name. You can enter minimum of 3 characters to change your name. So simply tap on this area and this will show your cursor. Here you can simply name your account anything you want, then click on OK. Then click on submit and this will instantly change your name to the new name you entered. Click on submit again and as you can see, I just changed my name on Monopoly Go. So that's how you can change name on Monopoly Go. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.